Today we're at the NEC in Birmingham for the UK Construction Week exhibition. We're here with our customer Saint-Gobain Insulation UK, delivering their sustainable exhibition stand. Saint-Gobain as a group are very proud of their CSR policy, their corporate social responsibility. So it was important that we delivered them an exhibition stand that was respectful of the environment and this policy. We've gone for an aluminium display system with recycled products, recyclable floor. The whole stand is reusable. It means that we can bring the LED technology that you can see on the stand here. We can use that LED technology instead of big bulky MDF structures. We can actually use the LED tiles to structurally build the stand. It's made up of tiny little dots. It's HD from about 3 meters, which is great for an exhibition stand. And instead of a printed panel, the moving imagery is a much better piece of technology that you can see on the stand that draws people in. And of course, the main benefit is that we can reuse it again and again at various exhibitions. So in addition to the LED screen technology, we've also got some touchscreen technology in here. Again, from a sustainable angle, it's really good because it saves on the company having to bring lots of brochures to the show. They can pull up case studies, they can pull up the games, they can have a little look at their brochures or their videos, but all the time there's no printing involved in it, which is great. The exhibition industry traditionally has been very wasteful. We all should be acting in a way that is respectful of the environment. So the organisers of UK Construction Week are actually planting 2,500 trees to offset their carbon footprint for this exhibition, which is great. So it's right that stand designers like ourselves, we can add to that sustainability message as well.